Today I'm teaching you how to make the perfect salmon. First, we're seasoning it with onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt, and paprika. I'm adding herb de Provence to it as well. Heat your skillet first, and after a few minutes, then add in your oil and let your oil heat up as well. Once you've done that, on a low heat, add in the salmon, skin up. We're going to brown just the top of it first. After about 4 to 5 minutes, you should be able to flip it over on the same low heat and let the salmon cook skin down. It's going to be here for a while. As you can see, it's cooking right on through. If you look really closely here, you see it cooking right on through. This way it cooks from the bottom up and you get crispy skin, which you see right there. Then we're going to turn it on its sides, let it cook on its sides. You see it still needs a little bit more cooking right on through. If you're not into that, that medium done salmon, go ahead and brown it on both sides so it's brown all the way through, and boom, you got it. Perfect salmon. Voila. Simple, easy, done.